How to add flags in Facebook profile picture. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add flags in Facebook profile picture. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, just tap on your profile picture. And now here, from the pop-up menu, just tap on choose profile picture. And after that, on the next page, now you can either take a new photo for your profile picture through camera, or you can even select the picture from the gallery. So here, once you have done selecting the picture, at the preview of the new profile picture, there at the bottom you'll see the option labeled as add frames. So simply tap on it. And now here on the next page at the top, you'll see the option labeled as flags. So simply tap on it. And now here in this section, you'll see all the flags. So here, simply select the flag that you want to add to your profile picture. And now here, once you have selected the flag will automatically appear in the profile picture. Now here, once you're done with it, you can just tap on save. And once you do that, the flag will appear on your profile picture. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.